Hello friends, welcome to my channel Kapil Home Workouts. Today we will do a compound strength workout. Compound because we do compound exercises and strength, as you know, we aim to enhance our strength from this workout. So we will do total 5 exercises in this workout and we will do total a 30-minute workout. Let's see how many rounds we can complete in this workout. So I am putting a 30-minute timer here. Our first exercise will be sumo squats and upright rows. So I am using heavy dumbbell for this exercises. This exercise we will change weight. So sumo squats and upright rows. 8 reps, guys. This is our first exercise. Our next exercise is forward lunges and crunches. Sorry, curls. We will do forward lunge with both dumbbell in our hands, and then we crunch. We do 8 reps on every side. So forward lunges and curls. Total 8 reps. We will be doing only 8 reps on both sides, as it is a very long movement. Our next exercise is lateral raises, then front raises. So we are using our medium weight dumbbell for this workout. So lateral raises and front raises. 8 reps. This was our exercise number 3. Our exercise number 4. For our this exercise, we will use only single dumbbell, and that is dumbbell snatch and lunges. As you know, this is a compound exercise. So our every exercise is a compound movement. So first we do on one side, next we do on another side. Snatch and lunges. Now we will repeat this exercise, this same exercise on other side. Snatch and lunge. Embrace your core in this movement. Eight reps. Now we will do our last exercise. Last exercise is again snatch, but this time we do with both dumbbells. This is a snatch plus thruster. We snatch weight, then we do thruster. So it will be a very challenging movement. We do total 8 reps. So, snatch and thrusters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our round 1. It took nearly 7 minutes to complete this round. We will be aiming to complete 3 to 4 rounds. As we may finish round 2 and round 3 little bit sooner, as our body warmed up in round first. It is more than warmed up now. These movements check our strength, enhance our strength, make us humble. So again we will start from sumo squats and upright rows. 8 reps. Sumo squats and upright rows. Eight reps. Now we will do total 8 crunches, and the workout is forward lunge and curl. Total 8 curls, hammer curls we are doing in this Total 8 reps. Now we will do our lateral raises and front raises. Lateral raises and front raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now our humble dumbbell exercise, snatch and lunge. So 8 reps. Now snatch and lunges on other side. Eight reps. Keep your balance strong. As you can see, I hit myself on my head. Thanks to these dumbbells, I am not wounded as these are rubber coated. Injury is an occupational hazard of working out. So, but it is not inevitable. You can prevent injury by carefully executing your moves. Always conscious in your mind about your moves. You always need a mind and body connection. So now snatch again with both dumbbells and thruster. Six. Seven. It is very tiring rep exercise actually. Last rep. So we have finished 2 rounds. We will be doing one more round of these 5 movements. There are actually 6 movements in this workout, as we do that single double snatch and lunges counts 2 different movements, as one on one side and second on another side. It takes times. We will be running in the evening, so I will take 30-40 seconds of rest. Then I will execute the next round, the third round. After round 3, we can do some crunches, curls, arms exercises. If we left with some extra time in our 30-minute time framework. So I am having water, then I will start round 3. This is a very good workout, challenging workout. We will do this workout again in next week or next to next week, and we will finish more rounds, 4 or 5. First target will be finishing 4 rounds. Now sumo, squats and upright rows. Now we will do forward lunges and curls. Compound movements are long movements, so they put time under tension is larger in compound movement. For muscles, of course. And they also target a whole range of body parts. So forward lunges and hammer curls. Now our lateral raises and front raises. Lunges are intense. These are long movement. Despite your head rate. So, in a way, they help us to enhance or increase our VO2 max. So, lunges are great. When you do smaller number of reps with heavy weight, that increase the strength component of exercise. When you do compound movements with larger number of reps with smaller weights, so that you can perform for a longer period of time, then your cardio increases, cardio component of your exercise increases, and that help improve our health, cardiovascular health, and that is the core of our health, guys. Cardiovascular health is directly associated with longevity. We will do lateral raises and front raises. 8 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last step, guys. 8. Now our snatch and lunges. Eight reps. Eight reps. Now we are left with our last exercise for today, and that is, as you know, snatch and thruster. This is our epitomus exercise. These lunges are also very challenging, but as we are already tired, then we doing two movements that target whole body, nearly whole body. Snatch and thrusters, guys. Last step. We are left with only 1.5 minutes in our 30-minute time frame. So for the rest of the time, we are doing hammer curls alternatively. Mm. 40 more seconds. We will be doing some more curls. Ah. 10 more seconds, guys. Seconds. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being there. Thank you for finishing this workout. This was a very tough workout for me as well. Thank you, guys.